Hey, amazing teachers! We all know how time consuming written feedback can be, but it doesn't have to drain your energy or your schedule. One efficient way to provide effective feedback is to use a comment bank. This is a list of pre written comments that you can use for common errors or praises. For example, instead of writing out every time a student needs to expand their ideas, use a comment like, "Great start. Can you add more details to explain your point?" Having these ready to go comments saves you tons of time while still making your feedback specific and actionable. Another quick win is to focus on one key area at a time. Instead of trying to correct every single mistake, pick one or two areas to address per assignment. For instance, if a student's grammar needs work, but they also need to improve their argument structure, decide which one is most important for this particular piece. You could write something like, "Your argument is strong, but let's work on tightening up your sentence structure to make your points even clearer." This approach keeps the students from feeling overwhelmed and allows you to give more focused, meaningful feedback quickly. Lastly, try using highlighted paired with guiding questions. Instead of writing long corrections, you just highlight the areas needing improvement and add a question to help the students think critically about their writing. For example, highlight an unclear sentence and add, "What do you mean here? Could you make this clearer?" This encourages self-reflection and revision without taking up a lot of your time. For more strategies like this, you can transform your teaching. Join us at Comprehended 2025 at comprehended.go/register. Let's make efficient and effective feedback a reality together. Happy comprehensible input.